Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm doing a simple festive makeup look which everyone can carry in Indian outfits, saris and kurtis. And with that I'm going to be sharing 3 lip options today. So because I'm doing a simple makeup look, first step is always to keep the base glowy. So I already applied this Good Vibes serum. This is the Rose Hip serum. And now I'm gonna jump into the foundation part. I'm using as usually my Maybelline foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Blending is the key, guys. Blend your base properly. Take your time. Let it be 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I know you're not going to take so much time, but blend it properly so that if your base is good, right, then you don't need an eyeshadow, I swear. So after foundation, I'm gonna set my base. Today I'm not gonna bake my face. I'm just using the Maybelline Compact in the shade 116, if I'm not wrong. After setting my base, I'm doing my blush, bronzing and highlighting all together. Then now I'm setting my face with NYX setting spray. You see how that already gave me a glow. Then I'm taking this pink shade from the palette and just blending it on my crease and not doing it too much because I want to keep this very simple and glowy base and not focusing on eye more. I took pink because my dress had pink border, so it was suiting. Now I'm just curling my lashes and applying mascara. My mascara is the Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. Today I'm not applying falsies because it's a simple festive makeup look, right? So I don't want to go over the border. So the first lip option is this pink shade. This is by Darling Isabel in the shade 9, and this jewelry I got in gift, and all the other jewelries are from local market. So this is my first look. So the second lip option is this nudish kind of shade. This is my Maybelline lipstick and this is in the shade Raw Cocoa. For the third option, I went with white kajal and black eyeliner to give it a nice sleek look, and I went with a maroon lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, bye bye.